Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So in this tutorial, we're gonna know about using GIF function in Python. So GIF function is a function. In this tutorial, we're gonna know how to use GIF function. Okay. Then first we have to open the PyCharm. As I open the PyCharm, okay, 1 minute. Okay. There's some problem in my computer, so that's why there's causing problem. Okay. The first thing is that what is GIF function is Python. GIF function is a function that merge the words in Python, and we're gonna use it uh, in this tutorial. Let's start. First of all, first of all, we have to take something like variable as name of people. So we have to take the name of people as take the names of people. Declare the name is Arif. Okay? Here the name of a person is Arif, and then take another name. Take another name. The name is Salim. And keep another name, and the name of the person is anything. It could be Bieber. Okay. So then this is the names of the person. Now we're gonna in the list of the we're gonna here give the company that are working. So here we take a variable comps, which is equal to the companies they are working. Let Salim Arif work in Microsoft. Okay. Microsoft. And maybe Salim is a very great boy and he's working with Google. They're all working in big tech companies, and let take Bieber working his Bieber working in Bieber may working in Dropbox. Let any company, okay? No problem. Any company can do. Okay. Please do mistake. Dropbox. Okay. Now we're gonna use another variable in Jeep, which is equal to Jeep, and then we have keeping here names and companies they're working. So we have to write like this. So here, like for A and B in Jeep, B in Jeep, we're gonna write here. We're gonna print the value of A and B. Okay. Let's see how I just with a click print the value of A and B. So now as per I'm gonna click on this run button, and we can see some mistakes. Okay, maybe there's some wrongs I've done here. So let's just fix it. We have to always do these things. Oh, there may be another mistakes that we have done here. What's the problem we have done? Okay. The problem that we have done is that we are using her name, but we're using her names, so they're causing problem. So I think that another problem is maybe now everything is okay. Now if you're is a programmer always you have to fight against all bugs. So now here we are seeing as a relief that into this program we are taking Arif, and here we have print the value, print the company name that he is working is Microsoft, Selim who is working is Google, and driver is in Dropbox. So this is the use of GIF function in Python. So I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, just click on the like button, and just please subscribe us. So thank you.